Now we're going to go back to users. So we've created a user model with the gem device, but we don't see a list of whole users. We're going to add it now. For this, we're going to create a new controller. It's going to be users controller. Inside the controller, we're going to add the regular stuff. And we're going to make an index view. So it will grab us all the users. And we're going to create routes for it also. So we're going to config routes. And here we're going to add resources for users. So here we're adding resources for users. And we're going to need only the index action. As well, here we are going to sort the users by their creation date. And let's create a view for the users. So we're going to create a new folder, put it under the views directory, and inside we are going to create an index view. Here is an index view, and inside we are going to render our cards with our users. So we're going to have card columns as we had with the courses, and we're going to have a list of users and render cards with users. So let's create one more view for a user, and inside we will create a card. We are using the font awesome icon for a user. So we are going to show the email, and inside we are going to have some more information. So we're going to use the time ago in words method to show how long ago a user signed up. And going to add the ago. And that's it for now. Let's see how it works. So we are starting the server. And we'll also add the users to our header. So let's copy the one that we had with courses. Users path. And let's see how it works. So here we have users. Okay, it tells us an initialized courses controller. Maybe we made a mistake here. Yeah, here we have home controller. I just copy pasted. I should have put users. Let's try one scan, and it works. We see the user that we have created. It is our current user. Now we want to work some more with the device gem and see what else it gives us. So, for example, trackable and confirmable. Let's see what trackable does. It can show how many times a user signed in and other interesting information. Let's add it to device now. So we are going to the device documentation, adding trackable to our user.rb. Now here we had it. So we'll be able to see their IP address and other information about the user who signed in to our application. Creating the migration. Let's see how it looks. Okay. And we are going to add these following fields to the migration right here. So we are running rake db migrate. And let's see the fields that we've added. So we are also going to add them in our users index to see the values that we have in these fields. So we are going to our user view, add in one more card, and we're going to add this information. So user and these values. Now let's restart the server. So it shows us 0 because all these fields are empty for us at the moment. Let's try creating one more user. Sign up. So we've created a new user, example, and we go to the users list and we see the values of these fields. Let's give them some naming for us to understand what they are. Let's see if it works. Okay, humanize works in another way. Now let's see how humanize works. In the meantime, let's try a bit differently. Okay, I've added the braces and it works. And now we just need to add some rows so that the fields are in different rows. And here it is. We've added the device trackable fields to our user table. So we can see the current signed in, how many times a user signed in, and the IP addresses. That's how device trackable works.